Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration SH19PXA. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof D/Cab Limited Van Auto. It has done 93,000 miles, has had one previous owner, and benefits from a recent wet belt change. The van comes with an automatic gearbox, alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors, heated seats, heated windscreen, stop-start, tow bar, and reverse camera. Another super practical crew cab custom, fitted with the best spec including a tow bar and reverse camera. This smart-looking van is ideal for all occasions. Whether it's fishing or a work crew with minimal load space requirements. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.